In the heart of every successful manufacturing plant, there's a professional dedicated to optimizing costs without compromising quality. Meet the cost reduction engineer. Cost reduction engineers are experts in identifying inefficiencies and implementing strategies to reduce expenses. They work closely with various departments to ensure that every dollar spent is justified. In the healthcare industry, cost reduction engineers play a crucial role in managing the costs of medical supplies, equipment, and operational processes, ensuring that patient care remains top-notch while keeping expenses in check. In the tech industry, these engineers help in optimizing the costs of software development, hardware procurement, and overall operational expenses, allowing companies to innovate without financial strain. From automotive to aerospace and consumer goods, cost reduction engineers are indispensable across various sectors. Their expertise ensures that companies remain competitive and profitable. By analyzing data, negotiating with suppliers, and streamlining processes, cost reduction engineers provide valuable insights that drive strategic decisions at the highest levels of an organization. Whether in manufacturing, healthcare, tech, or any other industry, the role of a cost reduction engineer is vital for sustainable growth and efficiency. A cost reduction engineer identifies cost-saving opportunities by thoroughly examining every aspect of the production process. This involves scrutinizing material usage, labor efficiency, and operational workflows. Analyzing production processes is a critical responsibility. The engineer must assess each step to identify bottlenecks, waste, and areas for improvement. Implementing efficiency improvements requires a strategic approach. The engineer collaborates with the team to redesign workflows, optimize resource allocation, and introduce innovative solutions. Collaboration with cross-functional teams is essential. The cost reduction engineer works closely with departments such as procurement, production, and quality assurance to ensure that cost-saving measures are practical and sustainable. One of the essential skills for a cost reduction engineer is analytical skills. This involves the ability to interpret complex data and identify areas where costs can be reduced without compromising quality. Knowledge of lean manufacturing is another critical skill. Lean manufacturing focuses on minimizing waste and maximizing productivity, which directly contributes to cost reduction. Proficiency in financial analysis is essential for a cost reduction engineer. This skill allows them to understand financial statements, perform cost-benefit analyses, and make informed decisions that impact the company's bottom line. Project management skills are also vital. A cost reduction engineer often leads projects aimed at reducing costs, which requires effective planning, coordination, and execution. Relevant degrees, such as in engineering or finance, and certifications like Six Sigma or PMP, provide a strong foundation and credibility for a cost reduction engineer. These qualifications demonstrate a commitment to the field and a high level of expertise. This video was sponsored by HEFLO, a cloud platform that provides artificial intelligence features for automating and documenting business processes. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos about management.